Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you how to delete Facebook page permanently. So, let's start it. Before that, you must be admin of the page. First, open a browser and go to Facebook. In the left menu, you can see pages and click it. Choose a page you want to delete. Scroll down and click Settings. Click General. Scroll down, and you can see Remove Page and click it. Click Permanently Delete. And click Delete. It's now finished. Click OK. Let's check it out. This is. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.